Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Dr. Mohamed. My name is Muhammad Faid bin Razali. My card matrix is H19A0221. Today, I want to present about my individual assignment to critique about the article. I choose the sport tourism. Okay, we go to the question number one. Do I agree with the article issue? I agree with this content because now sport tourism is very popular in the every country in the world. The figure at the slideshow uh, show the sport tourism program that has been organized by Malaysia in Langkawi Island. This program is organized by Litua di Langkawi. This sport program has given a positive impact in the tourism sector in Malaysia by receiving encouraging response from all over the world who love this cycling activity. The figure number two is a show about the world most famous car sport. The name is the F1. F1 is a very famous car sport in the world, especially in internationally. This event has a good impact on the economy and also the tourism sector in Malaysia. Apart from the F1 sport, there are also GP motorsport. As we know, GP motorsport is a very popular in the world. In Malaysia, there is also have representative of the rider. The rider name for the Malaysia is Muhammad Hafiz Sharil, who represent Malaysia in the motorsport GP. Do you I disagree? Why I disagree? This is because this content not focus too much on sport that are popular in Malaysia. Sport they are relatively less popular but have received encouraging response internationally are not taken as a content in their content. At the slide show the three sport is a popular at Malaysia also at the internationally. The first figure is about golf, the golf sport. The number two is the squad Harimau Malaya Malaysia at the AFF Suzuki Cup. And the number three picture is the about the hockey, the Sultan Azlan Shah Cup. Why I think the problem is happening at the first place? In my opinion, this is because the order for this content only write of information that is popular in Malaysia. In fact, the sport that are included in the diagram above are popular sport that elevate Malaysia name in the eyes of the world, as well as improve the economy and develop the tourism sector in Malaysia. Okay, we go to the another slide. They are the implication of the issue to the community, destination, or general public. Okay, we go one by one. For the community, in my opinion, the implication of this issue to community is to able to open the eyes of the sport tourism community is given a good impact for the economy sector in Malaysia. Also give the good impact at the tourism sector in Malaysia. For destination, in my opinion, the implication of the issue for this destination, especially tourist destination in Malaysia, are very good. This is said because the example, the most popular place in the international spot in Langkawi. So the traveller or or the the traveller can go to the tourist attraction or tourist destination at the Malaysia. For the general public, in my opinion, the implication of this issue for general public is I can tell the general public that sport tourism can further increase the economy in Malaysia as well as improve the quality of tourism sector in Malaysia. You advise the source of the problem is a human related. How the issue could have a preventative, the effective planning or more effective management strategy. Okay, for this question, my opinion, the source of the problem on the issue is from the government and also from the community in Malaysia. This is said because the government need to take seriously the potential of the sport in Malaysia to make the main platform to promote interesting place in Malaysia. Number two, when tourists or international participants come to Malaysia, they will come to Malaysia for the first time and be able to travel at the interesting place at Malaysia. Therefore, the government need to design and collaborate with the sport involving the international participant by conducting campaign, affordable package to participant and more. Okay, why do you think the benefit from resolving the problem? In my opinion, if we can solve the problem, Malaysia can become a country that is the focus of international tourists. Malaysia will be able to generate an economy in terms of tourism as well as develop to existing the SME trader in Malaysia will the present of foreign tourists coming to buy in their shop. There are many factors in Malaysia to attract foreign tourists to come to Malaysia. Among them are the unique terrain factor, different weather from other country, many beautiful island, and more. If this problem can be solved by the government and society, this is very good to attract the economy and good for the economic sector in Malaysia. That's all for me. Thank you.